Hello, my name is Carly and I'm the Customer Support Manager at Click2Mail. Today I'm going to show you how to connect accounts to the CRM Hub. The CRM Hub integrates directly with Salesforce, Podio, Follow Up Boss, and Google Sheets. By the time you're watching this, there may be other integrations in the Hub as well. The process for connecting accounts in the Hub is the same, regardless of which CRM you're connecting. For this example, I'm going to connect my Click2Mail account and my Google account for the purpose of creating a Sheets integration. Start by visiting hub.click2mail.com. If you haven't already created an account, you can click Sign Up to do so. Accounts are easy to create and there are no subscription fees, so you only pay for what you mail. Once you have an account, click Login, located in the upper right corner of the UI. Now enter your Click2Mail username and password, and then click Login. This lands you on your Hub dashboard. Click Connected Accounts from the menu on the left. Click Add Account. First, connect your Click2Mail account. Select Click2Mail from the drop-down and click Next. Enter your Click2Mail username and password, then click Sign In. Your Click2Mail account will appear in the Connected Accounts table. We still have to connect our CRM account. To do that, click Add Account that's now in the upper right of the screen. Select your CRM from the drop-down, and for this example, I'm using Google Sheets, so I'm going to click Google. Then, click Next. Select the Google account you're connecting to the Hub and click Continue. Now click Allow so the Hub can access the Google account. Now you'll see the Google account has appeared in the Connected Accounts table. That's all there is to connecting accounts in the CRM Hub. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at 866-665-2787 or crmhub@click2mail.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.